Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Lucid updates for Lucid Motors stock LCID. Today has been a great day in the market for Lucid Motors, but we will talk about why its potential that it could have in the next few weeks, especially in the next few days. I think you're going to see a lot of movement, a lot of momentum in this stock, and I can't wait until I can share this with you. Before we get started, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button. This will keep me alive on YouTube. It'll share this video with others around YouTube as well. If you are new to the channel, I would like to welcome you. If you can, hit that subscribe button, join the community. We'd love to have you here. If you would like to get all my alerts right when they happen, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my views. Now, I did want to talk to you about the Lucid stock as it is doing quite well today. We will be talking about the stock chart in just 1 minute. So next, I wanted to transition and talk to you about this article from Investor Place. The title of it is Dear LCID or Lucid stock fans, here are 5 big catalysts to watch out for. So Lucid Motors as a company has a lot of great news coming out very shortly, and we have been seeing a lot of movement, a lot of growth in the stock lately. And I do think that it has that potential to keep running up, but we will be talking about why. Before we get into this, I did want to just mention a few very good things. Again, Lucid Motors has extended its warrants. If you are a warrant holder of Lucid Motor Group, your ticker would be LCIDW. The W is for warrants out there. If you do have these, Lucid Motors has extended its warrant redemption date. It was on October 8th, but now they have extended it all the way up to October 29th. So they have given 3 additional weeks if you do have these warrants, so you can convert these to Lucid Motors stock. So if you do have these, please do that right away. Contact your broker, let them know that you want to convert your warrants to stocks, and they'll do that for you. I did make a video yesterday more in detail about this. Go back and watch that. It was a really good video. But let me just transition and talk about some very big things that are happening. As we have seen, the pre-sales of the vehicle are starting to fly off. On September 29th, we did have the first Lucid Air Dream roll off the assembly lines. So this is very good news that we are starting to see that production going of the Lucid Air Dreams. Now, recently, the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, has stated, and he has given us a confirmed number, that there will be 577 Lucid Air Dream vehicles delivered this year. They said that he is on schedule to do this, and they will start in the next few weeks. Before October 31st for sure. So this is great news, and I think this is why you're starting to see a big movement in this stock. I do think that October is going to be a very good month for Lucid Motors stock. Yesterday, I did mention that Lucid Motors did want to, in the future, come out with a $25,000 car that will be very efficient. It will be able to go 150 miles on a battery charge. So I do definitely think that this does open the doors to Lucid Motors, but they are putting their best foot forward first because Lucid wants to establish this as a very good brand, and I do think that they are on the right track for that. So, but this will be very big for the company. But the thing that I did want to just mention, and it is mentioned in this article, is that very recently, as of October 16th, Lucid Motors has opened up international sales. So they are the first to open to the Canadian store in Vancouver that does begin to sell the Lucid Air out there. So this is going to be huge moving forward as Lucid is starting to reach out and starting to go international. This is going to be very, very big for the company. I think once this starts happening, once Lucid Motors becomes that great brand that I do believe it has the potential to, I do think that this stock will also take off very, very well. But let's transition and talk to you about Lucid Motors stock. So Lucid Motors stock has a very, very good day today. This is in the past 6 months, we are up 30% in this stock. Very, very nice growth. But let me just show you what happened today. Today, we had a very nice increase and a very nice pop in the stock of 5.2%. We went up at the beginning of the day at $24, and we have increased this stock all the way up to 6.4% from the beginning to the end of the market day. And I have been saying, if you have been watching my videos in the past, this is a great stock, and this price point below that $23 was an amazing price to get in the Lucid Motors stock. And I do think that under $25, you're still getting a good deal if you hold the stock long term. But in the past 5 days, we are seeing a very nice growth. I do think that we have tested the base. We do have a nice consolidation at that 22, a little bit above $22 mark. I'm going to call it $22.50. I have been saying if you can get the stock under $23, you're getting a great deal. Right now, it's not going to go there. But we'll definitely have to see once all the production vehicles start coming out. Once we start hitting this, I do think that we're going to retest that $26. That $26 mark is our resistance. And this is in the past 1 month. I just wanted to bring you this chart to see that the resistance of Lucid Motors stock is about $26.80, was tested on September 21st. Again, on September 29th, we did test that resistance, but it looks like ever since that we hit that $26.80 mark, we did have a lot of sellers in the stock. Now, I do suspect that there will be some swing traders out there that will be taking profits if it does, but I am thinking that there will be a lot more buyers out there that are going to be getting into this stock just because the dream of the vehicle coming out is now turning into a reality. So the vehicle now is being produced. It is going to be delivered to the people out there. And I think that's going to be very good for the company and for the stock in general. But I do think that we will be retesting very soon. I do think that we will retest this week that $26 mark. If we can break that resistance, the next one is going to be $28. But I will need to see once we have a new consolidation and a new base, because this should bring up our base and our consolidation of this stock. And lastly, I did want to just transition and show you that according to Wallet Investor, this stock did end the day at $25.58. We still have that 1 year forecast prediction in the next 1 year of having $35 in the next 12 months, which is $10 per share up from now. I think you're still getting a very good deal. Again, like I mentioned, if you can hold this long term, if you can get under $25, you're getting an amazing deal. Short term wise, I would say if you can get it below $23, you're getting a very good deal, a steal of a deal in this company. Now, looking in the next 5 years, I do think this, according to Wallet Investor, it shows $85. I think this is very undervalued. I think it's going to be a lot more. To be honest with you, I do think that we will be pushing anywhere from about $150 to $175, I'm going to say, in the next 5 years. That is a big if. We get those deliveries out and those 20,000 deliveries out next year. Next year is going to be very critical for Lucid Motors as a company because it will start mass producing these volumes of these vehicles. Elon Musk has said that it is very, very difficult, very strenuous, very stressful to get mass producing of these vehicles, electric vehicles out there. And we'll definitely have to see if Lucid Motors can do this. So we'll definitely have to see, but I do think that Lucid Motors is on track. They do have that experience because remember, CEO Peter Rawlinson did develop the Tesla Model S, and he has worked for Tesla and its production phase. There's a lot of people actually that left Tesla to join Lucid Motors. So hopefully with all their experience, they will have a little bit better chance of mass producing this. Big time will be next year, will be very critical for this company, but we also have a lot of the headwinds coming up against Lucid Motors because you still have that chip shortage, you still have the supply chain shortages that were affected by COVID. So we'll definitely have to see how this plays out because Lucid Motors has itself said that they need quality materials to build their vehicles, and that has been in very short supply. So we'll definitely have to keep you updated. But I do think that this stock will do very, very well. I do believe in this company. I do believe in this product and the car. I think that this is going to be the Ferrari of the electric vehicle industry. I do think that they have a great product, but it has a luxury that no other vehicle has out there. But not only does it has this luxury, it outperforms any vehicle with its range. 0 to 60. I mean, you put it up against anything, even Tesla, you will be sure that the Lucid Air will win. I have seen a lot of people commenting about Lucid's Dream Drive, the technology, autonomous driving. Remember that this is in the final stages. They don't have that software uploaded on the vehicle yet. What you have to look at is its potential. Look at all the systems. It has over 32 radar sensors in the vehicle. It has that LiDAR system. It's a laser beam system that sees a lot more things than any other electronic autonomous driving system sees. And according to engineers, it's going to be the future. It's going to be very important. And in the most higher end models of the Lucid Air, you have this. So and it's already baked into the vehicle. They just need to do those software updates, and you're going to be very, very impressed with this vehicle and what it can do in the autonomous driving space. And anyway, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you have gotten this far, thank you so much. But please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, share this video with others. Share it with your friends, coworkers, neighbors, anybody that would like to watch this video or learn anything about stocks, particularly EVs. Please share this with them. Also, I have partnered up with moomoo. If you open an account with them, you will get a free guaranteed stock valued anywhere from $3 to $350. If you deposit $100 into that account, you have to use my link down below. You will get a free stock of Lucid Motors stock, but you have to do this before October 20th. They have to get the money by October 20th. But I will have more promotions later on. But I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.